Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to quick and easily create video collage on Instagram stories. First, let's go into the App Store, and whether you're using an iPhone or Android, you need to download the app PhotoGrid, pick Collage Maker. It's a free app, although they have some additional stuff that they would like you to purchase. Anyway, after you have downloaded the app, you'll simply press open, and you'll be on the free trial, and then you'll simply select grid, or you can select template, whichever one. I'll select grid, and then this will automatically carry you to your photo gallery. And then from there you can select videos, and you can select the videos that you'd like to upload. And then up the top here you can see various layouts that you can choose from. And the ones with the little crown those are premium layouts, so you'd have to purchase those, although they're not that expensive. These are some nice ones. And the layouts will vary depending on the amount of videos that you choose. You can see here, this is a nice one. You simply tap on the one that you like. And then to edit one of the video, for instance, put a border around it or change the background color or anything like that, you have various options down by the bottom that you can choose from. As you see, you can choose background color, you can change the background color. You can also add music if you'd like, or add sounds. And you can also add text. And after you have done that, you can simply press save in the top right hand corner. And then after you have saved it, you'd simply upload it to Instagram story, just like you normally do a regular video. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.